Good morning dear students and welcome back to this online class of chemistry. In the last video we completed our what is atomic number, mass number and the arrangement of elements as per the increasing order of the atomic numbers in the periodic tables. And here now I am going to discuss that what is relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass and the distribution of electrons in an atoms, what is isotopes and the arrangement of electrons in an atom. So let's start with what is relative atomic mass. As we know that atoms are very small and very light and it is difficult to determine that what is the to find out that what atomic weight of an atom. So the scientists use an indirect method to find out that absolute mass of an atoms. So what they did, they first chosen what hydrogen atom, that is, as we know that it is the lightest element. Okay, so they will be chosen first hydrogen is the standard unit and masses of other atoms or molecules to compare. Then it is possible only when hydrogen is combined with that other element, but it is found that what that hydrogen is not combined with so many elements. So later the scientists decided or they choose that carbon 12 atom. As we know that carbon has isotopes, so the scientists chosen what carbon 12 atoms is the standard for the comparison of mass of other atoms or molecules. Clear? So first we discuss that what is relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass or the atomic weight of an element is the number of times one atom of an element is heavier than 1 by 12th the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Remember that relative atomic mass, that is RAM. It is denoted what? RAM, that is relative atomic mass is equal to mass of one atom of the element divided by 1 by 12th mass of one atom of carbon 12. Clear? Next we discuss that what is relative molecular mass. Okay, and it is denoted RMM, relative molecular mass or molecular weight. The relative molecular mass or molecular weight of an element or compound is the number of times one molecule of the substance is heavier than 1 by 12th the mass of an atom of carbon 12. That means RMM is equal to mass of one molecule of the substance divided by 1 by 12th mass of one atom of carbon 12. Understood? That means that relative atomic mass is equal to the number of atoms one atom of an element is heavier than 1 by 12th the mass of an atom of carbon, and relative molecular mass is equal to that number of times of one molecule of the substance is heavier than 1 by 12th mass of an atom of a carbon. Okay. Then next we discuss that what is the electronic configuration. Okay, that means how the distribution of electrons in an atoms. So let's start what is electronic configurations. As we know that electrons revolve around the nucleus in an imaginary path that is called at what? Orbits or shell. From the figure you can say that in the center what? Nucleus is there. In the nucleus protons and neutrons are there. And around the nucleus what? Electrons are revolving, okay, in a fixed path that is known as what? Orbit or shells. Okay. And the orbit which is closest to the nucleus is known as what? First orbit or first shells. And after that, the next orbit is known as what? Second orbit or second shell. The next third orbit or the third shells, like that it will be going on. And that it is denoted 1, that means first shell is known as K cell. In the figure you can find out first cell is known as K cell, second cell is L cell, third cell is M cell and fourth cell is N cell. And each of these cells contain different number of electrons depending upon the amount of energy associated with them. That means each cell has a fixed energy. And the cell closest to the nucleus has lowest amount of energy and hence contains the least number of electrons. That means what? The cells or the orbit which is closest to the nucleus, they are having what? Least number of energy. Okay, and the maximum number of electron in each cell or orbit is determined by a formula that equal to 2n square. That means according to the formula of 2n square, the electrons are arranged. Okay, that means for K cell, you know that first cell is K cell. Okay, and 2n square, that means what? N is the number of cell. K cell is the first cell, that means 2, n is equal to what? 1. Number of electron 2 into 1 square, that equal to 2. That means K cell having the capacity 2. L cell, n is equal to 2. Number of electrons 2 into 2 square, that equal to 8. So that capacity of L cell equal to 8. And M cell, that n is equal to 3. So the number of electrons 2 into 3 square, that equal to 18. That means the capacity of M cell is equal to 18. And N cell, n is equal to 4. That means number of electrons that equal 2 into 4 square is equal to 32. Okay. That means what you observe here? That means the capacity of K cell equal to 2, L cell is equal to 8, M cell is equal to 18 and N cell equal to 32. Understood? So let's discuss first how that electrons are arranged, or that electronic configuration is there in an atom. So let's see here, this is the calcium atom. Okay, and calcium has the atomic number, and the electronic configuration always done by it depends upon that atomic number. Okay, that means calcium atomic number is 20. Okay, so that electronic configuration 2882. Okay, that means K cell is equal to what? 2 and L cell 8. Okay, when 2 is completed first cell, then it will be jumped to that next cell. Then when L cell is completed with 8 number of electrons, then it will be jumped to that next cell. So what is the atomic number? 20. So the electronic configuration 2882. Okay. Then see next example, that is sodium. Okay, whose atomic number equal to 11. Understood? So that electronic configuration 281, that is equal to 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. So as we know, K cell having that capacity 2, so it complete 2. L cell 8, that means 8 electrons are there. After that, how much left? 1. So that M cell having 1. So the electronic configuration of sodium equal to 281. Then see other electronic configuration of other elements. See that lithium atomic number 3. So that K cell having 2 and L cell 1. That electronic configuration equal to 2, 1. Okay. Then after see oxygen, whose atomic number 8. So the electronic configuration 2, 6. That means K cell having 2 electrons and L cell having 6. Okay. And that sodium atomic number 11. Okay. So that electronic configuration 2, 8 and 1. That means 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Like this electrons are arranged in an atoms. That means these are the electronic configuration of an atoms. Now we discuss that what is isotopes. Okay. Isotopes means it is that atoms of the same element, okay, having that same atomic number but different mass number. Okay. What is isotopes? Isotopes means they are having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass number due to the difference in the number of neutrons in the nucleus. Why isotopes are formed? Because of different neutrons in the nucleus. Okay. See here. Let's see some examples, that is hydrogen, isotopes of hydrogen. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. Okay, see here, hydrogen first, the proton, that is protium. Okay, proton number of proton equal to 1, electron equal to 1, but neutron you can find out there is no neutron in protium. That means hydrogen is the only one element, it has no neutron. Okay, see from the figure you can find out in the nucleus only proton is there and 1 electron. That means number of proton equal to 1 and number of electron equal to 1 and number of neutron equal to 0. Then after, see here, that is deuterium, that is number of proton 1, okay, number of electron also 1 and number of neutron also 1. And tritium number of proton 1, electron 1 and number of neutrons. See here from the figure you can find out 2. So why the isotopes are formed? Because of different number of nucleus in an atoms, isotopes are formed. So let's see another example of isotopes, that is chlorine. Chlorine has also two isotopes having that same atomic number. Atomic number of chlorine, that is equal to 17, but they are having different mass number, that is equal to 35 and 37. Okay. See, when that atomic mass is equal to 35, that number of proton equal to 17 and neutron equal to 18. And when atomic mass is equal to 37, that number of proton equal to 27 and number of neutron equal to 20. So what is isotopes? Isotopes means the element having same atomic number but different mass number. Clear all of you? Now I have to discuss that. Now we discuss what? That arrangement of atoms. Okay, from atomic number 1 to 20. See, arrangement of electrons in an atoms. See here, you can find out from that arrangement of electrons in an atom from atomic number 1 to 20. So the first is hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen atomic number is 1. Okay, that and electrons and number of proton equal to 1. Okay, and electron equal to 1. But you know that hydrogen has no neutrons. So number of neutron equal to 0. And that it has only one electron, that means atomic number 1. So the K cell have only one electron. Okay. Then after helium, that atomic number 2 and number of proton 2, neutron also 2. Okay. And K cell having 2 electrons. Like this lithium. Okay. See here, lithium atomic number 3. That K cell having that capacity 2, and after that it will be jumped to that next cell, L cell, that equal to 1. Okay, that means 2 plus 1, 3. So the electronic configuration of lithium equal to 2, 3. Like this, beryllium is atomic number is equal to how much? That equal to 4. Okay, so the proton equal to 4 but neutron equal to 5 and electron also 4. That K cell having 2 electron and L cell having 2 electrons. And that electronic configuration 2 and 2. Okay, and boron, like that, see, that is atomic number 5. Okay, that means in K cell it contains 2 electrons and L cell contains 3 electrons. That electronic configuration equal to 2 and 3. Okay, see here from the figure, in the figure you can find out from atomic number 1 to 20. Okay, that means from hydrogen to calcium. After that, we have to discuss now arrangement of electrons in atoms. That means in the figure you can find out, see, that name of the element, symbol is there. Then after that, number of electrons, atomic number, number of electrons, okay, or number of electrons. Then after distribution of electrons in the different cells. Okay, so see here, first one, see, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, up to how much? Calcium. That means atomic number 1 to 20 is there. Okay, and after that number of electrons or number of what protons or equal to number of electrons. Here you can find out that equal to atomic number. Okay, then after you have to find out number of atomic number equal to number of electrons. Okay, then how that electrons are arranged. Okay, see, K cell, hydrogen 1, so K cell having 1. Then after helium equal to 2, so the K cell having 2. And then lithium, that is atomic number 3, so that electronic configuration 2 and 1. Beryllium 4, that electronic configuration 2, 2. Then boron 5, 2, 3. Then carbon 6, 2, 4. And the nitrogen 7, 2, 5. Like this you have to calculate that electronic configuration from atomic number 1 to 20. Then after, see here, valency is given. Okay, see here the valency of hydrogen is 1. Okay, and that valency of helium is 0. Because helium is rare gases, it already completed its duplet. That means in the outermost cell it contains 2 electrons. So the valence equal to 0. And hydrogen having that 1 electron in their outermost cell, so the valence equal to 1. But lithium, okay, see, after that lithium, beryllium, boron, they are having that what? 1, 2, 3 electrons. So they are known as what? Metals. Okay, that means the valence equal to +1, +2 and +3. If they are in their outermost cells contains 1, 2, 3 electrons, then they will lose the electrons and they are unipositive. okay, and they are known as what? Metals, unipositive, okay. And 4 means that valence equal to 4, and after that in their outermost shell, if it contains 5, 6, 7 electrons, okay, that means they will be gain the electron to be octet, and they are uninegative elements, that means non-metals. And if in the outermost shell contains, that is neon, argon, okay, that means the rare gases, they are already completed the octet, that means the 8 electrons are in their outermost shells, so the valence equal to 0. That means what you find here, the valency of rare gases equal to 0. And if in the outermost cells contains 1, 2, 3 electrons, that means they lose, and the valence equal to 1, 2, 3 respectively. If 5, 6, 7 is there, then you subtracted from 8, that means 8 minus 5, that equal to 3, and if it is 2, okay, that means 6, then it is 2, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, and if it is 7 there, then 8 minus 7 equal to 1. That means the valency, they are known as what? Non-metals. Clear? And they are negative. The valence equal to negative. So with this, that means we end our video, that arrangement of electrons in an atoms. So take care. Goodbye. Thank you.